How can no one add you by your phone number on Discord? Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is to open Discord. Then as you see, when you open Discord, you will go down and click here on your profile. Then go to privacy and safety and click. Then you will just go down to phone number, and now you will turn off this option by clicking here on this place like this, and that's it. Now it will work with you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next.